The growth rates on this group are exceeding the target metrics.
Yes, the feed conversion ratio looks excellent across the board.
Before entering the production zone, all personnel must use the biosecurity checkpoint to sanitize both boots and hands.
Remember your sterilization protocol.
Ensuring food safety requires constant vigilance from every team member.
The process begins with a pressurized mist, followed by high-temperature steam and vigorous scrubbing, guaranteeing a sterile environment.
Advanced technology ensures that the transfer process is both rapid and adheres to the strictest hygiene standards.
Using pressurized air, the machine ensures only the highest quality meat proceeds to the next stage.
The inspector checks the marbling and elasticity of the fat tissue.
Here we see the sorting area, where cuts are meticulously separated by type and destination, adhering to the strictest hygiene standards. Aligned in series, these gleaming stainless steel machines are the heart of the operation, processing product with utmost precision and hygiene. The high-speed rotating blades are enclosed for safety, ensuring the meat is ground evenly and efficiently before moving down the line. The meat is finely ground and extruded smoothly, ensuring consistent quality and high hygiene standards are met. As the meat is ground, precise temperature sensors ensure it remains safely chilled throughout the process. Maintaining strict hygiene, the vibrant red meat cascades into the polished stainless steel vacuum mixer for processing. The final mix is approved. The hygienic stainless steel environment ensures quality control as the batch moves to the next stage of production.
Here we see the automated system preparing the collagen casings, ensuring precision and sterility at every step.
The stuffing line is the heart of the operation, where precision and hygiene meet to create thousands of units per hour. The casings, both natural and synthetic, undergo a rigorous rinsing process with pressurized water to meet our stringent hygiene standards.
In our state-of-the-art facility, hygiene is paramount, as the sausage is precisely moved toward the cutting mechanism. This precise mechanism guarantees consistent sizing and quality across the entire production line. The automated cutting unit ensures precise separation of each sausage link.
In this state-of-the-art facility, sausages are meticulously hung on smoke sticks before entering the smoking chamber.
As the sausages travel along the conveyor, the precise heat application ensures a perfect The chamber rapidly fills with dense, clean wood smoke, initiating the crucial flavor development stage in a strictly controlled atmosphere.
The sausages enter the smokehouse, where heat and precise humidity begin the transformation.
Water cascades over the freshly processed casings, a critical step in the cooling and sterilization process within this state-of-the-art facility. The journey through the chiller is critical. Here, the casings bind tightly to the product, locking in the flavor and ensuring perfect presentation. The synchronized movement of these sealing bars is critical. They apply precise heat and pressure, locking in the product's quality securely and efficiently. Using linear stretch technology, the machine applies overlapping layers of film, stabilizing the load for transport while keeping contaminants out.
In this state-of-the-art cold storage warehouse, maintaining the cold chain is paramount.
The automated inventory system ensures strict tracking of all incoming goods, vital for maintaining our hygiene standards.
Once cleared by quality control, the shipments are carefully loaded, ensuring the cold chain is maintained until delivery.
Every morning, this state-of-the-art facility dispatches its fleet, a seamless operation ensuring
Upon arrival, all products are immediately transferred to our stainless steel conveyor system for rapid scanning and quality control.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures that every product is kept at optimal temperature, reflecting the highest standards of industrial hygiene.
The expiration date is crucial. Always ensure the packaging is secure and the stamp is clearly visible.
From the source to the table, ensuring quality with every step.